Hi there, Joe from Jonesy's, and today you guys get to vote on what we do to build this chassis. 5.3 liter LS, Cummins 4BT, stock Buick 350, your choice. Make sure to vote. So for those of you that have never seen a 1970 Wagoneer chassis all stripped down, here's your chance. I get a lot of questions as to whether or not it originally came with a Buick 350, and the answer is yes. The Jeep Wagoneer did run the Buick 350. So this one has been all rebuilt. It's got the updated HEI ignition. It's got a quadrajet 4-barrel carburetor, stock camshaft. It's all been gone through. It does have a little bit of lifter noise in it. That's pretty common with these. It also has all the updated oil front cover and oil pump. So it's good to go there. It has a Turbo 400 transmission with that BOP round top bell housing and a Dana 20 transfer case. So I'm just going through kind of what we are working with right now, and then I'm going to post some decisions for you guys so you can vote on what we do with this project. It's got an updated Dana 44 disc brake front end out of a later model with a passenger side drop. It's got the Dana 44 rear axle, which came stock in these, as well as the stock fuel tank. Other than that, that's about all there is that's notable. Obviously updated Delco alternator, stock power steering. Looks like a freshly remanufactured or installed steering box, but it's got the stock spring under suspension in the front and spring over suspension in the back. A lot of this powertrain was rebuilt back in the late 90s. There you can see a date 10/20/99. It was remanufactured. So that Turbo 400 doesn't have that many miles on it because this vehicle primarily sat around. So the questions are, what are we going to do for a powertrain in this? We're fast and furiously working on the body and paint work right now. So we need to get some kind of a game plan for the drivetrain. So I'm going to give you guys three options, and hopefully you'll vote, and when we get enough votes and we get enough feedback, we can go ahead and make the decision. So first choice, retain the stock Buick 350 Turbo 400 setup and run a fitech fuel injection unit on it. Also add air conditioning. Option number two, we get rid of the Buick 350 and we run a aluminum block 5.3 liter LS 4L60 transmission with an overdrive, also with air conditioning and fuel injection. Option number three, we run a Cummins 4BT diesel with a 4L80 and a standalone control module. Also going to run air conditioning with the 4BT. All the options have air conditioning. This vehicle is going to be appearing to be stock. We're going to do some kind of a lift. That'll be decided in another upcoming video where you guys get to choose how much lift and what type. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and post your votes, cast your votes for which option you guys would like to see me build for this Wagoneer.